Today I'm going to show you how to record your desktop and use your webcam at the same time. As you can see, I'm down here in this right corner. I'm going to go ahead and close this out just so I can show you how to open it and then how you can record your desktop. So we're going to close this out. As you can see down here in my bar, I have the QuickTime player, and that's what we're going to be using today. If you don't have it in your bar, just go down to Launchpad. It's down here at the left. It's going to put it up in this menu bar right here, and we are just going to go to New Movie Recording, and it's going to pop up super large. See, I'm full screen right now, but you just want to go to the top left and drag it to where you want it as far as the size goes, and you can put it all over your desktop wherever you want it. I like to leave it down here in this corner right here. You're going to want to set this to always on top, and let me show you what I mean by that. Let's just go in here to open up Safari, and as you can see, the Safari browser kind of covered me up. I'm going to show you how to set that to where you're always going to be on top of everything else. So to get that always be on top, go to QuickTime Player and then View, Float on Top, and that's going to keep this on top of everything else. So now we go back and we open up Safari. I'm still going to be in front of the browser, and the browser is going to be behind me. Now if you want to record your desktop like I'm doing right now, you're going to go to QuickTime Player again, and you go up here and you go to File, New Screen Recording. Since I'm already recording, it's not going to let me do it again, but pretty much you just go down here and you can capture your entire screen. So you want to do that, and then it's going to pop up with like a little camera icon as your mouse, and then you just click anywhere on the screen and it'll start recording. It's going to show that you are in fact recording, and all you have to do is push the button and it will stop it, and you will get a new screen recording icon over here, and then you can just go back and watch it. And I appreciate you checking out the video, and I'll see you in the next one.